Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today I will be taking you on the tour of Maharaja Suite, room number 201 of Agra Kent Railway Station. So here we go. The room is facilitated with this electronic control switch. When we insert the keychain in this slot, the electric supply of this room gets started. Without this keychain slot entry, no electric equipment will work. This room is allotted with two beautiful carpets, one single bed and one double bed setup. This is the dustbin. And this is the beautiful door. There is electric bell. On the left side of this gate, while entering, we have this beautiful TV panel on which we are supplied with Tata Sky set-top box and the Realme 30-inch flat LED TV. Even though the Tata Sky set-top box is not recharged, you can use screencast facility from your mobile to connect with this TV and enjoy your favorite movies and shows while resting in this room. This is the sofa set. While you want to enjoy the cup of a tea or a coffee. The complimentary setup with this service is one drinking bottle and two sachets of sugar and coffee or tea. There is, you can see the AC of Voltas company. This is your second fan, and from this side you can see the whole view of this beautiful room. Okay, it is much spacious and elegantly designed. Here you also have beside your bed an intercom supply and an electric kettle for enjoying hot water for your coffee or cup. Now let me show you your bathroom and lavatory facility. This is cupboard for your personal belongings while you stay in this night. This is me recording a video for you. And from this door we enter in your bathroom. It is very neat and clean and fully furnished with Haier company's geyser automatic supply for hot water, Crompton company's exhaust fan, and Johnson company's sanitary facilities. This is wash basin. This toilet towel is complimentary, and this is your Western style seat. There you also got your fuchka in our local language, or you can say hand shower. Okay, so this is a beautiful room which is provided by our Indian Railways for our passengers. Now regarding the booking of this room, first of all you need to remember that you can get this room booked on IRCTC online app or online website, but only when you have got a confirmed reservation from either Agra Kent to any other destination station or from any other railway station to Agra Kent. Then only you can get your Maharaja Suite booked. And one more thing, your ticket should be confirmed. Okay, 100% confirmed. Then only you can get it booked through IRCTC mobile app or online website. All you need to do is link on the retiring room booking option and enter your PNR number. But for that purpose, you also need to enter your IRCTC user ID and password. Then only you can book this room if it is available on that date when you are traveling from Agra Kent or traveling to Agra Kent. And one more thing, guys, you need to remember is okay. And one more thing you need to remember is that the amount online fees for this room booking is for 24 hours. I am talking about 24 hours booking is only 220 rupees. Sorry, matlab 2200 in Indian currency. You will have to pay including GST. Okay. And one more thing, the booking is always done one day before, and the duration for booking period is 1 day before from ticket booking date to 1 day after the ticket booking date. All I say is mota mati overall matlab lump sum 3 days you can get it booked. Okay, so thank you all of you. And one little mistake or bug you can say in this system is you can only trace the availability of this retiring room, whether you can get it confirmed booking or not, is when and only you have got your ticket booked confirmed first. Okay, are you getting my point? I am saying that the availability status of this retiring room can only be checked only if you have got your reservation ticket confirmed. After then only, when you have generated the PNR number of a confirmed reservation ticket, then only you can check the availability status of this retiring room. This is the most drawback of this facility, because sometimes you get the reservation confirmed ticket, okay, but when you check the availability for this room on your Agra Kent station, then it says that slot is full. So that is the most regretting part of this facility. Otherwise, it is A1 Geo Indian Railway. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you guys for giving your time for this video. Bye.